All right, somebody asked for this. We're going to install a new parking brake cable. So this is the piece that goes into the actual parking brake. We're going to run these nuts down. And then these tabs we bent up to get the old parking brake out, or the old cable out. So we're going to run those like that. Just slides right in. And then we can bend those back down. We're going to put the lever back in. And then just get our nuts started. Little triangle thing and the springs, and we'll get under the car. Make sure the parking brake is in the down position. Again, this is my problem, not yours, so do what you want. Oh shit. So we got these little hanger brackets. I think you just slide it on here, see? Just drop it on and then it'll roll back down. Okay? There's one for each side. You could technically do this. No, you should do this first. And then we're gonna put this in here like that. And then it has a washer and a pin. I'll put those on in a little bit. We're going to leave this loose, but we want this hole open because this thing goes through it. And we might need to pull that up out of the way, dummy. Like that, okay? And then let's back this out. We got springs. They're gonna go on like this. Right? Springs dangling from that. And then we're gonna get ready to put it in the car. I'm going to do one side at a time. I'm going to start over here and work my way back. And then this thing is going to go in here like this. It goes in the hole. Okay, it's not me. There is supposed to be a groove cut in this thing. Right? So whoever's job it was forgot to do that. I'll show you. So this is the opposite side. See? Groove. Somebody forgot to cut the groove on the other side. Not to worry. We can get around that. Alright, safety glasses on. Slide it through this back piece, right? And it's got the ball on it. And then this piece is gonna pop in there. And then this piece pops in here. And that piece is gonna sit right there, like that. Then we have this slide right there. We're going to put that in here and this will bend. We bent this to get it out. And then we have this piece here, slides over that. And then this is going to go up on here like this. And we had to bend this to get it out. Caramba! It costs money. Like so. And then we'll put some nuts on there. But let's do the other side first. So we got our end piece. We put a little mount bracket on. We pop this like so. This goes over here like that. And then this piece goes up inside. And then it goes in here. And then that goes in there. So we're good. We'll squeeze these together. This is what I'm working on. So I got it running over the back, or it can run over the front. If I run it over the back, the exhaust is pushing on it the whole time. If I run it over the front, then it's just kind of riding on there. Either way, it's going to touch. When we drop the car and put weight on it, it'll be a little bit longer. This will come up, which will allow that to rest over. I'm going to take this off. Take this off. And back this down. Right? And then, like magic, well, almost magic, almost like magic, it goes in, okay? And so then we have a washer, and then we have a cotter pin. We are locked. So, I'm going to slide this back on. Now we're going to back this down. And then the last thing is these little springs. So that goes on there and it stretches all the way out to that thing. And then this one goes on here. You're able to see any of this? I can't tell. Yeah, I guess so. And then we need to attach the springs. Let's see if I can do it with these. One. Yeah. Two. Once we have the car down, the drive shaft isn't going to be touching any of this.